Good morning, Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge here with your outlook for July 2nd, 2015. Cold front that came through yesterday is now sagged down to our south. That's going to be sagging down to the south and stalling for several days here, and that's bad news for areas to our south and good news for us because we're going to be in the clear as far as precipitation goes. In fact, some regions we have here absolutely no mention of precipitation over the next 6 days. And the only thing we're dealing with precipitation-wise today is going to be confined across South Jersey and Delaware. Why is that? Frontal boundary is actually sitting right about here. So anywhere south of that boundary here in Delaware and South Jersey could experience an isolated shower today. Not much going on with this. If we go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar, looking at 11 a.m. here, nothing going on here in South Jersey at this point. Some stuff across northern Maryland. Of course, the front at this point is stalled to our south, kind of right over this area. So since it's stalled at this point, any precipitation will be confined to that area. North of this area here, it's going to be mostly sunny in many cases, especially in the northern and central areas. Maybe about partly cloudy as you head down a little bit south as you're closer to the front here. But beautiful day. North wind, light winds, and low humidity. Very nice day today here for Thursday. But going a little bit further from this point, I'm going to show you some showers that are going to pop up here just across Delaware, South Jersey area here. Not much, but just enough that will give us a few showers, very isolated. The stuff that's showing up here across Pennsylvania here, you probably ignore this. This is just something that the algorithm of the model is doing here. But just confined to mainly central and southern Delaware, maybe South Jersey for a few showers. Otherwise, mostly cloudy in this area as they're closer to the front. But today, elsewhere is going to be very nice. Going a little bit further from this point, we're going to have Friday. That's also going to be a nice day. No precipitation expected. Now we were putting low chances for precipitation here on Saturday. A couple reasons we did that. One is the holiday weekend, and we don't want to give anybody misinformation over a holiday because there's so many plans that go on for, especially outdoor plans for the 4th of July. And we don't want to give anybody a false sense of security by saying there's no chance of rain, and then you just don't, and then you have this pop-up shower, and people are ready to strangle us. We're struggling with this all week of what we should do. The models are going back and forth of this. European model was showing a few isolated thunderstorms, especially in our western counties, but now it's the only model that's been showing this, and the GFS has been consistently saying no. The NAM that is not in range yet, but the other models that we look at, long-range models, we're saying no, and then the European model was saying, we're going to get a little bit of shower or thunderstorm activity here on Saturday. That is no longer the case. So since there's nothing really on board showing that, we're going to take the precipitation chances out for Saturday and just say that it's going to be a partly sunny day. Not too much in the way of humidity. Temperature's not really too high, but not too low. We're sitting right around the mid-80s, give or take a few degrees north and south, but not looking at precipitation here on the 4th of July also. So this will be a good weekend all around. Here's Sunday. Sunday's the same thing. Nothing going on Sunday. All the precipitation chances are going to be to our south again. So areas across if you're going down the Carolinas this weekend, might run into some few showers and thunderstorms with an area low pressure moving well to our south here on Sunday. But otherwise, we're going to be locked in. High pressure sitting right over top of us for Monday. This is going into next week now, so obviously this is a long stretch of nice weather. We haven't had a long stretch of nice weather in quite some time. It seems like every second or third day we're dealing with either showers, thunderstorms, some kind of system, what have you, and it's been a long time since we had a very long stretch of nice weather, and I think that's coming up here as the next chance of precipitation doesn't come until we get into later in the week next week, now into Thursday. So if we do have an isolated shower in the next week or so, consider yourself lucky or unlucky, however you want to look at it. But you're not looking at it for the most part. We're looking at a dry stretch for about a week or so coming up, and it's going to be a very nice holiday weekend for sure. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martridge, and that is your outlook for July 2nd, 2015. Have a great Thursday.